Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
So we created these functions, and if you want me to create a contact, create contact. So basically, first you create a object repository, and then you can create those functions. Let me show you. Okay. So first I'm going to create the shared object repository. Okay, let me open the application. Okay. So let me log in, because anyway, now to create a context, first you need to log in. So this is you have the functions. So demo CSR. So till here, we have a function, right? So open app does open application, and then login function does the login into the application. So now we are going to look at how we are going to create a contact. Okay. All right. So basically, these are the different functions, right? So you can you just add create a object repository first. Say resources, and we're trying to add object repository, all these objects also. Okay, so objects, add objects to local, and then click anywhere on this page. Basically, I want to add all the objects from this page. And then select the page object. Okay, select the page object, and then click OK. So default object types, click OK. So that the objects get added. Oh, too many. Because there are many objects on this page. Okay, so the object gets added to the object repository. Alright? And now the next part is you have to do the scripting. You can. If you click on this create account, then you will get the actual page, right, where you're going to create an account. So go and add these objects also to the object repository. So that way, first we're going to learn all the objects and keep your object repository ready. That is the preliminary step. Then add objects on this particular page also, and select the page object. Okay, always select the page object in this hierarchy. That way, all objects get added. And then default object types. Fine. So that object is also added. Now we are going to, because we got the objects, and the next thing is you can create object scripting the functions. sorry. So here, just anyway, like you're going to give the header of the function. I made a mistake. I had only create account object. Yeah, that's correct. You have to click the poetry page level. That way you got it. Okay. Okay. So now once we add, then I'm going to create okay. Okay, it came back. So what we are going to do is, let me copy this header. I'm going to get a function. And the function name is a create account. Basically, like that should match with your keyword, right? So create account. So this is the keyword, and that should be your function name, right? So we're going to put function name, and then basically like you can also put the argument, say account name. Okay, so that is the argument, and the usage is like you can pass the account name. So that is the argument. Say for example, test. So this is the okay. So whether it's a test case 4 or test case 3 doesn't matter. Create account or create contact. So you want me to explain create contact? Why? What's the difference? That's what I feel like. I'm doing all these things. To create contact and create a contact, I don't see any difference. Like, so all you have to do is come here and then create contact. and then it displays that page. I added all these objects. So you want me to do that for create contact? No, I didn't do the create contact before. No, there is no create contact, right? Yeah, that's right. Create contact and create account, there is no difference at all. Basically, like in case of create contact, so you have to fill all these fields, whereas in case of create account, that you have to fill the different other fields. The process exactly same. There is no difference. Okay. So if you want me to do the create contact, okay, I don't mind. So, but only thing is like I have to add the objects. So this is a create contact link, right? It's going to display the page, right? So this is the create contact page. Now you're going to add the objects, and then you add objects to local, and then click anywhere on this page and select the page object and click OK. Then click OK, so that is going to get all objects on the page. Okay, so you got the both objects. Like if you look at the object repository file, you see create account, page, and the objects are added, and also you have create contact, and all the pages on the all the objects on the page is added. Okay, so this is your objects repository is ready, and then so okay, so you want me to do this create contact, so that is this is the keyword. So create contact. So you put the same thing. And then, so basically like there are, so two arguments, like let's say first name and last name. So I pass those two arguments. Okay, this I'm going to say F name and L name, first name and last name are the arguments. And then, so whenever you call this function, this is the usage. Say first name QA and last name test, right? So that way you can create a contact. Anyway, this is the headed part, what this function is and what are the arguments to the function, and then how we are going to call this function in the script. Now actually we are going to write actual function. So I'm going to put the function and function name, so create contact, and these are the two arguments, right? So F name and L name are the two arguments. Okay, so that is the structure of the function, right? So function name, and then these are the two arguments. And now inside, like I can write the body of function. So obviously, first what you do, you have to click on this create contact link, right? So for that, just you go to the page like CC, the object repository. Just you have to remember these icons here. That way, just you can easily remember the objects. These are mostly the images. Okay, what are the things that you see here? This icon stands for the image. This icon stands for the link. Even if you want to make sure, just you can display object repository and then look at that way. Also, it's going to tell. Okay, once you work on a couple of scripts, then you will easily remember those icons. Say, for example, this particular icon, it says image, right? And then, so these are the things, the links. Okay. This icon stands for the links. So these are the different links on the page. And also, this is basically a button. Okay, this button icon. And then, so this is a edit boxes, edit or the text box. So these are all the different text boxes on the page. And then this basically called the tables. So these are the web tables. So this way, if you look at the icon, just you can easily remember. So what that particular object is, whether it's a link or edit box, table, that kind of things, like the buttons. Okay. So why we have to remember is then it's very easy to use these objects. Say for example, here what's the first thing you have to do in order to come to this particular page? So obviously first you need to click on this link, right? So it means so you need to click on this create contact link. So then you're going to look at the links collection. And then, so you're going to look at, okay, where is this create contact link? So that way it's easy to identify the particular object. Okay. Otherwise, like you need not go throughout the object repository. Okay, just your store, you are going to click on the link. Just go and look in the link collection. Okay. So this is a create contact link, and this is a create account link, create case link, create lead link. Everything is added to your object repository. So all you have to do is now just drag and drop. So that is going to create the click. Okay, so the link, and then it's going to click on that link. And also one more thing. So you might have noticed here. So though it is my home open tab CRM, the page is same, but it's creating _2, one more instance. So basically, you have to get rid of all these things, _2, _3, because the page is same, right? There is an important setting actually in QTP. So how to get rid of this instance, _2 and _3. Okay. So I'm going to explain that part. Please remind me once we're done this scripting. Okay. But for the time being, let's go with this _2. You can also eliminate this _2. Okay. So now, you're done with click on this link, right? So we're done with this. Then, once you click on, you will get this page. And now you are going to enter the first name and last name. Anyway, those things as the arguments to the function. So, the first name and last name are basically like edit boxes, right? You go to the edit box section. Okay, so these are all the different buttons. And okay, anyway, like now you have to go to the create contact page. Okay, now you got into the create contact page, right? After click on that link. So go and search that particular object and then create contact section, create contact page. So expand this, and then it's going to show you what are all the different objects on that page. So you need to enter the first name, right? So this is the first name, edit box. So this is edit box icon. Drag and drop so that it generates that particular page. And then, so here you need to pass the argument. So this is the first name. So you are going to set this argument. What is the first name? And then, so what's the next argument? The last name, right? So go and look at. Anyway, like it's going to arrange in alphabetical order. That way also like you can easily identify the things. Anyway, last name. Most of the case it's going to start with L. So you just go ahead and so that it's going to generate the script for the last name also. And you pass now the arguments to the function, right? So that is last name. Okay, so this way you're going to generate the function. And now you're going to return the value, right? So the value is you have to say the verification part is pretty much the same thing, right? So what you did with login and all this part. So only thing is that you have to look at whether the particular. Oops. Okay. So how you are going to verify whether that particular say it's going to display here, right? Near the different tabs. So how to verify whether this particular name displayed on this page? Like what is this object? So go and spy it. Okay, let's go and spy this object. Let's try to identify what this object is. Okay, it says basically link. Okay, so that's the cool part. So it says the link, or you can also get the easiest part of the verification is the link. Basically, whatever the contact you create, it's going to display a link on this page. So what you can do is, you are going to mainly look at, say first let us try to add this object. Okay. Say I'm going to add randomly any object now. Okay. So resources, subject repository, and then add this particular object. Any object, right? What are the account, what are the contact that's already created? So I'm going to add that. Okay, so this is the contact, right? And then click OK. So that particular contact is created. Say quote 10,000. Okay, but anyway, like you're going to create your own contact. So that's what I'm going to explain how you can verify that. So when you look at your object repository now, you see this is the link, right? This is the link that displays. So for example, when you create here say test and say 16, and then once you click create contact, then it's going to display the test 16, right? And also, if you go to, there is other verification like what you can do is, see, once you click on this My Contacts, then it's going to display the most recent contact here. That way also you can verify whether the contact is created successfully or not. Okay? Once you create a contact, if you click on My Contacts, then it's going to display what are the contacts that recently created. That way you can, that is also like this first link. So what you can do is, there are different ways that people can do verifications. It's not hard and fast this way you can do this stuff. The easiest part is to verify whether that particular link exists or not, right? Whether this particular link exists. If this particular link exists, that means okay, the account is created successfully or the contact is created successfully. So how you are going to do that? So let me just drag and drop this particular object. And then, so you see, this is the link, right? This is the link. Even I think we have to add this My Contacts page also. Let me add that object. That way it's better. Object, add subject local. And then this is the page. And now I'm going to add My Contacts page objects also to the object repository. Alright. So now, you can use different ones. So this is so this way it's going to identify whatever the link, right? The test 16 is now the link that is created. So let me drag and drop. Then let me close this object repository. So how we are going to verify verification part, right? So here you are going to just declare a variable, something. Just give me 1 sec. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is here, I declare a variable, right? Say something, the contact. I declare a variable contact, and then what are the contacts that you are going to create, that you are going to assign to this variable. So what's the contact you are going to create? So that should be F name. Just like the contact is, so this is the one, right? So what we did here, so we created a contact test 16. So that one is going to display, once you click on my contacts, then it's going to display that link with space in it. So test is first name and 16 is the last name, right? So first name is test, last name is 16. And then, so you're going to now, the first name, then you're going to concatenate, say with ampersand, and then you're going to put the space right between, and then you're going to again use the ampersand character to concatenate the string, and then you're going to put the last name. Okay, so what is going to give? The first name and last name with space is it's going to give whatever the contact that created, and then it is going to display that particular contact here on the top on this list, right? Saying that test 16. So now you are going to verify. Basically, like that is the link you are going to check whether it exists or not, right? So here you can go with basically the you can go with descriptive programming, or you can also simply say this is basically like you are going to verify the link exists or not, right? So what the link here is doing, the contact. This is going to give you that before what it says. Oh, control C. Yeah. Okay. So it says test 16 exists or not. So you're going to verify dot exist. If it exists, then you're going to return to your script, say whether your function pass or fail, right? So saying that create contact is equal to pass. Else, we're going to say create contact is equal to fail. But here the main thing is, you don't want to hard code this test 16. So you want to check what are the contact you created, or the script is going to create at that particular moment. So you are going to verify whether that particular link exists or not.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, You will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.